Now, the odds are you have a good message to share, but you're not really interested in being a celebrity. So being out there and exposing yourself to the world and all of that stuff doesn't interest you. But I want you to think totally differently why speaking is the single most important strategy you can be using, whether you are extroverted, introverted, want to be a public figure or not. And I think after this video, you'll see why speaking is the best thing for you to do and can still maintain the lifestyle that you love. I'll show you in the video. All right, so a lot of people, when I talk to them about speaking, one of the things that is in the back of their brain a little bit is, I'm not one of those people that needs the spotlight. I'm not one of those people that needs to go out there. Now, some people are, and they love it, which is fantastic. But there's this weird kind of struggle that happens with, well, I don't need people to pat me on my back. I don't need people to tell me how great I am. I like to keep my head down and work and do what I need to do. But let me explain why public speaking and going out there and speaking is the single most important idea to grow your business, your impact, and your influence, and is the most genius way to create what I call niche celebrity. So let me break this down. I literally was able to build companies that have generated millions of dollars in revenue without spending any money on traditional advertising, even before I put my first dollar into Facebook ads or anything like that. And the reason why is because I focused on niche celebrity. So I want you to imagine why being a celebrity sucks and why I don't necessarily recommend it for most people. Because do you really want to be someone that, like, when you go out to eat, thousands of cameras are in your face, flashing, taking photos? Of course not. You want to be someone where every little step that you take is documented and criticized and made fun of. Like, that's the world that celebrities actually live in. But a niche celebrity is someone who, to the everyday man and woman, means nothing. But when they go into a certain environment, everyone knows who they are. The fastest, most strategic way to build that niche celebrity, of course, you got to have a good product or service. That goes without saying. But it's to use and leverage public speaking. Think about it for a moment. I can go into certain conferences and I'll have people ask for my autograph, which is extremely kind. And I'll have people ask to take photos with me, which I'm always happy to do. But when I walk out of those conferences, nobody knows who I am. I can just live my everyday life and just be a normal person, which is the most beautiful thing in the world. But here's the funniest thing. When you speak, no one knows who you are. I've literally been at conferences where I'm walking around just talking to people and no one has any idea who I am. Then they announce me as the speaker. I go up on stage, do my thing, and then by the time I get off, I have people who want to take photos with me, who want to work with me, who want to hire me. And it's simply because of that 1 hour that I spent presenting on the stage. Now, here's the beauty of it. When you're a niche celebrity, just in your world, in your industry, people want to work with you more. It's easier to want to work with the best. It's easy to pay more for the best because you are the celebrity. How do you build niche celebrity? You speak. So I want you to think of it like this. Go to a conference where you can be a keynote speaker and you can get on stage and within an hour take a complete group of strangers and turn them into people who are raving fans, who love you and want to work with you. And you build with every speaking engagement you do your niche celebrity status. Now, this is the beautiful thing about this. The more you build your niche celebrity status, the more momentum you get. So what that means to you is when you do one, it's easy to get two, and it's easier to get three. Now, what's fascinating is there are a lot of speakers out there who go out and present in addition to the work that they do for their company. And if you ask them, how do you get speaking engagements? They're gonna say, I have no idea. Like, they just all come to me. Because one of the more beautiful things is once you get the ball rolling, it becomes like a big stone rolling down a hill. It's unstoppable. It just starts attracting more and more good, high quality speaking engagements. The problem for folks like you and many other folks that deal with this problem is they just don't know how to get started. They don't know how to get the ball rolling. They don't know how to start moving that rock down the mountain so that they start getting things inbound coming to them that are high quality.
Hey, if you like that video, make sure you hit that like button before you go and hit the subscribe button so you can get more of our great content so it goes to the top of the algorithm. And if you head over to Talkadot.com, not only will you get more in-depth resources there to help you with your speaking, but also you'll be able to get a free account for our amazing software tool that helps speakers like you pull leads from your speaking engagements, get data so you can actually have objectifiable information on why you're so good at what you do, and how to use that data to book more speaking engagements. If you want to find out what Talkadot is, head over to Talkadot.com. And remember, if you want to talk a lot, head over to Talkadot. See what I did there? Just go to the website. Trust me, it'll make more sense when you're there. I'll see you at the next video.